I used to hear a simple song. That was until you came along. Now in its place is something new. I hear it when I look at you.
I love you, anak. Be a good husband. Be a good father.
With simple songs, I wanted more.
Andito pa rin ako. And I love you. You'll always be my daughter.
Oo naman. Love you.
Our flaws are who we really are.
Thank you, Nak.
I will give you this watch like Lolo gave me his. So, bakit? Kasi for you to always look at the time every time nakasama mo si tatay. Every time nakasama kita, I always make time for you, ano. Precious yung time ni tatay pagkasama. Sobrang thankful ako kasi ikaw yung binigay.
You are more beautiful by far. Our flaws are who we really are.
Hindi ako naniniwala sa new chapter. Na pag kinasal new chapter. Kasi matagal na natin ginawa yun. Yung what if ko na linya na laging ginagamit, napalitan ng buti na lang. Buti na lang dumating ka sa buhay.
I used to hear a simple song. That was until you came along. You took my broken melody, and now I hear a symphony. And now I hear a symphony.
Never in a million years ko maiisip na dito rin pala tayo pupunta. Nung una, sabi natin, joke-joke lang. Walang seryosohan, bawal ma-fall. Kaso nauna ka mag-I love you. Weak. Joke lang.
Lahat ng hassle ay nawawala. Lahat ng hassle ay nawawala.
Wala na tayong mga problema.
No, they're really caring for each other. 12 years engaged. They are living each other with each in one house, and still they dream for a marriage. That's why I'm very proud of them, especially my son Thor, and of course my daughter-in-law Chan.
Thank you dahil tinanggap mo ko kahit na sobrang tumpakin ako. Sobrang moody. Sobrang ano ba, overthinker. Yun na. Yun. Mas maganda pala pag impromptu ang vows. Yun lang. I love you.
Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Basta kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Lahat ng hasal ay nawawala. Basta kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Walang perwisyo, walang bitin.
Thor, no need to warn you. I trust that you will take care of Sean forever, as you always do. And I'm honored to witness this incredible milestone of you and Thor. So may your love continue to grow stronger every day. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, adventures, and endless true love.
Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Basta kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Hassle ay mawawala. Basta kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Basta kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Lahat ng hassle ay mawawala. Lahat ng hassle ay mawawala.
For Sean naman, you know that I love you. You're like a sister to me. And then for the two of you naman, I love you both so much. And then congratulations again. Cheers.
Seeing you together just double my wishes. And God is really, I'm really thankful for giving Thor to Sean. We want to say, B. Escadarye for you, Thor and Sean. Yan. Second, ano yun? Google Translation. B. Elskadar. B. Elskadarye. It means I love you.
Lagi ako nandito para sa inyo. Kahit anong maging desisyon mo sa buhay, kung anong trip mong gawin, magmotor ka everyday, okay lang, suportahan kita. Nandito lang ako palagi. At mahal na mahal kita kasi mahal na mahal mo ko at saka mahal na mahal mo si Tita Vine. Asan na? Ayun. Tita Vine.
I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish, I'll be a fantasy. I'll be a hope, I'll be a love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every breath, truly, madly, deeply do. I will be strong, I will be faithful, 'cause I'm counting on a new beginning, a reason for living, a deeper meaning, yeah. And I wanna stand with you on a mountain, and And I wanna bathe with you in the sea. And I wanna stand with you on a mountain. And I wanna bathe with you in the sea. And I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. And I wanna stand with you on a mountain. And I wanna bathe with you in the sea. And I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. And when the stars are shining brightly in the velvet sky, I'll make a wish, send it to heaven, and make you want to cry. The tears of joy for all the pleasure and the certainty. They were surrounded by the comfort.
Thank you so much. Hindi ako yung magiging ako ngayon kung hindi ikaw yung kasama ko sa album.
Stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. And I wanna lay like this forever.
Kahit anong gawin kong desisyon, kahit minsan against na sa'yo, you were always there. Na sinusuportahan mo ako every step of the way. Laban kong laban, patay kong patay. And now, tingin ka dun. Tingin ka dito. Ito na yung dream wedding natin. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita.
And I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. And I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. Oh, can you see it, baby? You don't have to close your eyes, 'cause it's standing right.
Pero yun lang, sobrang thankful ako kasi ikaw yung binigay niya para sa akin. Wala akong ibang pipiliin sa araw-araw. Lyrics ng kanta yun. Kundi ikaw lang. At si Rich, of course. Love you, Rich.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. And I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I want to live like this forever, until the sky falls down on me.
Bago kita nailala, naniniwala ako sa salitang what if. Na every time na may ginagawa akong desisyon, lagi kong sinasabi, what if, ganun. Pero nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, doon nagbago lahat.
She says I smell like safety and home. I named both of her eyes forever, and please don't go. I could be your morning sunrise.
To the people you love, take those opportunities, knowing and believing the time spent with family ay palagi pong pakinabang bawat segundo.
Can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to.
Thor and Sean, build your marriage in God's way and never stop dreaming. The good news after today, official na po, hindi ka na nag-iisa. Dalawa na kayo susuong sa panibagong journey ng buhay. And when you work together, you will accomplish more. When you build up one another, you heal each other.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't change, even if I try, even if I wanted to.
According to God's word, love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. Love does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always hopes, always trusts, and always perseveres.
She keeps me warm.
Whew! Ito na. Love. Dito na tayo. Ang ganda mo.
Something in the air, I can't see it, but I know it's there. Believe me, I'm a dream.
Love. 12 years. Sobrang patient ko, no?
I keep running out, no better days are coming up ahead.
For this moment to come, that Sean will find the person who will really take care of her and love her unconditionally. And this day, God granted my wish. At may bonus pa. Mi yerno es muy guapo.
I keep running out, no better days are coming up. Wide awake, but I'm still
love each other. And lagi kong sinasabi, ang Diyos ang lagi niyong inuuna. Pagkagising niyo sa umaga, ngumiti na kayo sa bawat isa at magdasal kayo ng sabay tuwing umaga at yung bago matulog. I love you po.
I keep running, I know better days are coming up ahead. I'm going today. Wide awake, but I'm still dreaming. Wide awake, but I'm still dreaming. I'm still
Pagod ka?
Sakto pa ako.
Ako din eh.
Chinelas na nga lang ako eh.
Pero masaya.
Sobra.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Para dito talaga tayo.
Ano naisip mo kanina? Nakita mo ba?
Gago. Ang hirap pagpigil ng iyak ko.
Ako din sabi ko kanina, hindi ako iyak, hindi ako
Oo
iyak.
nga eh. Nung nakita kitang payak na.
Hindi, nauna ka umiyak eh.
Oo. Nung
Ay,
nakita.
may naluha ka na nakita. Ano daw ako sa isip mo?
Shit. Ito na. Hindi, ang ganda mo. Ngayon lang ito nakita ng ganyan. As in, ito pala yung sinasabi na iba pa rin pag nakita mo yung asawa mo sa wedding dress niya.
Kaya hindi dapat magkita.
Yeah.
Tapos, nag-walk na sa aisle.
Nag-walk na sa aisle. Gumagano na ako eh. Parang tumatakbo lang sa isip ko na, this is it. Parang gusto ko na rin na dalhin na kita, hilahin na kita. Hanggang sa gusto ko na lang din, alam mo yung pagkakita ko pa lang sa'yo na naglalakad sa aisle. Gusto ko nang mapunta sa point na, ano yun, yung make is the bride. Ayun na, ayun.
Buti nga, yan lang yung ano natin, ang bilis.
Yeah. Masaya?
Oo.
Nagustuhan mo?
Oo, mas maganda pala pag impromptu yung vows, no?
Yeah.
Kaysa yung iniisip mo yung sasabihin.
Tsaka nakatingin tayo sa isa't isa.
May joke pa ako kanina, nag-joke pa.
Ayun.
Usapan walang mababal. Sino na una mag-I love
Oh,
you?
weak. Ayun. Love you.
Love you.
Ah.